Welcome back to 2-minute tutorials. Let's get right into it. Firstly, you wouldn't have clicked on this video if you weren't thinking about upgrading to Davinci 17. Well, I'm here to convince you why. Before we get started with the tutorial, make sure you click the link in the description and start the download. Let's have a look at the cut and edit pages. New transitions, titles, effects. This is amazing. Finally, they added so many more effects that I can use. Titles, wow, I don't have to go looking for them online anymore. Transitions, incredible. So many transitions I can choose from. This is perfect. Moving on to Fusion, haven't really noticed much of a difference. To be honest, I don't use it a whole lot. If you notice something, let me know in the comments down below. Color tab, now this has had a nice little cleanup. I just love the way the bar's laid out now, and I love the fact that my scopes button doesn't disappear constantly while I'm trying to edit a video. I do like the added high dynamic range effect. This is quite nice. I like the cleanup of primaries, all the bars looking much nicer, neater, tidier. Whether that's the reason you upgrade or not, that's completely up to you. Fairlight, it looks a little bit neater, doesn't look a whole lot different, but that's okay, it does what we need it to. The delivery page, they've added a few extra render settings up the top here, that's quite nice. My personal favourite is the custom button, so I'll stick to using that one, but nice one Davinci. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know why you decided to take the leap to Davinci 17. If you disagree with this video, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know why, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.